Hello guys! If you want to learn how to create custom posters with text in just a few seconds using AI, this tutorial is for you. You probably saw a lot of people recently creating images with AI. They look amazing and can save you a lot of time. Today we will be using Ideogram. This AI is probably the best one and it's free, so you don't need to worry about wasting your money. Let's begin. Firstly, you will need to go to Ideogram AI and log in with your account or create one. Now that you are here, you will see all the images generated by everyone. You can see the prompts used to generate those images and even create a remix of them. When you generate an image, it will be public unless you change it on the settings. I also have a tutorial about that. To create our poster, we will use this template. I will leave it in the description of this video. Just change this to the custom text you want in your poster and set a description of how you want your poster to be. In my case, it will have a graffiti style and splashes of paint. Now it's important that you set a style right here. Make sure to choose typography and poster. In my case, I will also add vibrant since I think it fits pretty well with my poster. And the most important thing, make sure to set this image format right here. Before generating, click this button and make sure to use the new model of this AI, which is the 0.2. Now just generate it and wait a few seconds. That's it. Now the AI automatically generated 4 images. You can see how good they look. I could have added something in the background of the poster, but I wanted it like this. Now just choose the one you like the most and click the download button. This will allow you to save the image in your PC at a very high quality, and without watermarks, you can see how good it looks. Now I will create another example. I will put "This is my text" as the text for the poster, and will set a generic poster style. Let's see what I get. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and it was accurate with the style, but it misspelled the text. This can happen sometimes, but it's very easy to fix it. We could just click the generate button to get more variations, or we can go to the one we like the most and click the remix button. This will allow us to use an image as reference. We could edit the text or description of the image. In my case, I will set a vintage style now instead of the generic poster style. Let's see what I get. You can see the same thing happened. Let's just create another remix. It doesn't matter how many remixes you do, it will be worth. Now it's better, but it still misspelled 3 of the images. Let's create the last remix. Make sure to play with the image weight option. When creating a remix, if it's too high, the generated images will be just like an exact copy of the reference image. That's it. Now it's better. You can see how good the style and posters are. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.